Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the infotainment system display on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If the infotainment system screen is distracting you while driving, you can disable it altogether so that it goes black. Follow the steps to learn how to disable the infotainment display on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right of the infotainment screen. Then tap the arrow on the right side to get to the second settings page. Choose More Settings from the options. Then tap Display. In the display settings, tap Display again. The screen will go black. If you would like to turn on the screen again, you can press the Sun Moon button to the left of the screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.